Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is a school plant with reference to the principle of designing school building. Let us first try to understand what is a school plant. The school plant is the school campus which includes everything present there that is immovable. School plant gives the first impression to all those persons who come to the school. The design of school buildings, often referred to as the school plant, is a critical aspect of creating an effective and conducive learning environment. Properly designed school buildings contribute to the well-being, safety, and academic success of students and teachers. Here are the key principles of designing school buildings. 1. Safety and security. The safety and security of students and staff are paramount. School buildings should be designed to minimize risks, ensure easy evacuation in emergencies, and provide secure access control. Example: designing clear evacuation routes, installing fire alarms, and using security cameras to monitor entrances and hallways. 2. Accessibility and inclusivity. School buildings should be accessible to all, including students with disabilities. This principle ensures equal educational opportunities for everyone. Example: installing ramps, elevators, and accessible restrooms to accommodate students with mobility challenges. 3. Adequate space and facilities. Schools should have sufficient space and facilities to support various educational activities, including classrooms, laboratories, libraries, and recreational areas. Example: designing classrooms with appropriate seating and technology, constructing well-equipped science laboratories, and providing comfortable library spaces. 4. Natural lighting and ventilation. Maximizing natural light and ventilation enhances the learning environment and reduces energy consumption. Example: designing classrooms with large windows to allow ample natural light and incorporating ventilation systems that promote fresh air circulation. 5. Sustainability and energy efficiency. Sustainable design reduces the environmental impact of school buildings and lowers operating costs. Example: installing solar panels, using energy-efficient lighting, and incorporating rainwater harvesting systems to reduce water consumption. 6. Aesthetics and inspiration. Aesthetic considerations are essential to creating an inspiring and motivating school environment. School buildings should be aesthetically pleasing to stimulate learning. Example: using engaging designs, colorful artwork, and inspirational quotes in school interiors and exteriors. 7. Technology integration. Modern school buildings should support the integration of technology into the curriculum. Example: providing ample power outlets, data ports, and Wi-Fi connectivity throughout the building to facilitate the use of digital resources. 8. Collaboration spaces. Design should include areas that encourage collaboration among students and teachers, fostering a sense of community and teamwork. Example: creating open common areas, group study spaces, and faculty lounges that promote interaction and collaboration. 9. Acoustic design. Proper acoustic design reduces noise levels and enhances the learning experience. Example: installing sound-absorbing materials in classrooms and using acoustically designed ceilings to minimize noise interference. 10. Safety from natural disasters. School buildings should be designed to withstand natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes, ensuring the safety of students and staff. Example: constructing buildings with reinforced structures and implementing earthquake-resistant design features in seismic-prone areas. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.